In a bustling town, there was a popular event called the Great Bake Off. This year, a young girl named Emma decided to participate. Emma loved baking and had a secret recipe for the most delicious chocolate chip cookies. Emma spent days perfecting her recipe, using the best ingredients and adding a special touch of love. On the day of the bake-off, the town square was filled with people, and the air was sweet with the smell of baked goods. Emma carefully set up her table and displayed her cookies. The judges walked around, tasting each entry. When they reached Emma's table, they took a bite of her cookies and smiled. They whispered among themselves and nodded in approval. After all the entries were tasted, the judges announced the winners. Emma's heart pounded as they called her name for first place. She was overjoyed and couldn't believe it. The crowd cheered, and Emma received a shiny trophy. Emma's cookies became famous in the town, and people often asked her to bake for special occasions. Emma's love for baking grew even stronger, and she dreamed of opening her own bakery one day. Comprehension questions. What event did Emma decide to participate in? Emma decided to participate in the Great Bake Off. What was special about Emma's cookies? Emma used the best ingredients and added a special touch of love to her chocolate chip cookies. What happened when the judges tasted Emma's cookies? The judges smiled, whispered among themselves, and nodded in approval. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss the key elements of the plot in a text. I'll see you next time.